Welcome. You shop online, handsome?
No.
Have no intention of shopping online anytime in the future? All right. Hi, sweet girl. You shop online? You shop online? Do online shopping? Okay, wonderful. So I want to introduce you to Island Shipper, the most amazing shipping company in Jamaica right now. I'm not just saying that. Come here, no, there's something that I want to do for you. Now, what we want to do is offer you the opportunity to give us a try. Now, we're offering you up to £5, the first £5 package weight, absolutely free for the first time that you sign up with that you ship with us. But with everything, there's a catch, right? So you have to sign up. No, it's not going to take you long. I know. I'm so sorry. So what's unique about us is that
It's not chocolate or crystal.
you don't have to join any lines. There's no going to any physical structure required. We will do all of the processing for you and we deliver it to your doorstep or at your office if you prefer.